What is going on? It's John Gab here, helping people master their mindset. So what's the answer to what is the easiest way to make $10,000, $20,000 every month in 2023? This is your problem. This is your problem. You're looking for an easy option. You're looking for the easy way. So your paradigm is going to be easy. Your mindset is it's going to be easy. And you're looking for this easy option because you don't want to do the hard work. So what's going to happen, bro? When you start going on your journey and someone's promised to you it's going to be easy for you to make $10,000 a month, as soon as hardship comes along, as soon as you have one setback or one challenge, because your paradigm is it's going to be easy, then your brain is going to go, well, this is hard, let's quit. The brain has two main roles. One is to avoid danger and basically not die. And the second role is to save energy and be efficient. So if your paradigm entering into making money online is it's going to be easy, guess what? It's going to be hard. It's going to require you transforming yourself at such a level you can't even comprehend right now. To become an entrepreneur requires a whole new level, new mindset. It's going to require you to shift so many beliefs you probably have around money, around success, around so many things, around life, around people you know. It's going to require you to work like you probably never worked before. It's going to require you to go against challenges you probably have never faced before. There's going to be doubts, there's going to be uncertainties, there's going to be worries, there's going to be fear, there's going to be all of this shit. It's not easy. And there is no easy business model because they all require you to change yourself. If it was easy, everyone would run an online business and travel the world and do what they got to do, right? And this is why I fucking hate these gurus and these people online who try and sell you into a specific business model or try and sell you that making online money is easy. You know, you're going to get people that say, yeah, being a high ticket closer is easy, right? It's the best business model to do. You have this, and this. You're going to have people say Amazon FBA is easy. This is, you have to do this, and this. Becoming an appointment setter is easy. You just have to send a few. Bro, you will never figure it out unless you figure yourself out. I promise you right now, you will never make the money you desire if you don't figure yourself out. If you're just looking for an easy option, like I've mentioned before, and it becomes hard, you're going to quit. This is where I was for so long. I had these expectations. This is the key thing here, guys. You have an expectation that it's going to be easy, or you have an expectation that it's going to go smoothly. So as soon as it doesn't, what do? You escape to social media, these vices, you quit, you procrastinate, you become inconsistent, and then you look back and go, why is it not working? Why am I not making money online yet? Let me go on YouTube, let me find a video on how to make money online. And you try and click on one of these videos, but guess what? I'm not going to be the guy who's going to tell you it's easy because I want you to win, bro. I want you to actually win, and I don't want to set false expectations in your mind that you then go away and you're like, why is it not working? It's going to be hard. It's going to require effort. It's going to require sacrifice. It's going to require things that you probably don't want to do. It's going to require discipline, okay? And accept that right now. And then I'll ask you this question, and I ask this to everybody: are you interested or are you committed in making $10,000 a month online? Because I know and coach hundreds of people, and I will tell you right now, probably 5% of those are truly committed when I speak to them, based off the way they speak, the way they show up, the way their actions align. And the other guys are just interested. They like the idea. But they don't truly want it deep down. And be honest with yourself when you ask this question: are you interested or are you committed? And most of you are going to say, yeah, I'm committed. But let me ask you this: what have you done this week to get to your goal? Have you done the bare minimum, or have you done everything in your power to get there? Because if I was to say to you right now, I said, look, if you don't make $10,000 a month this month, right? You don't make $10,000 this month, one of your family members will get killed. Would you find a way to make $10,000, yes or no? Of course you would, right? There's no doubt, there's no questions about it. It will get done. So simply put, that is a great enough reason. There's enough pain there for you to move away from that and make the money. So what is happening, if you've been trying to make money online for a while now, let's say it's been 6 months, for example, or a year, in my opinion, there is no reason you shouldn't be making at least $5,000 to $10,000 a month, okay? So if you're not making that, just realize there's some internal block going on there. Because again, just look back over your year. Have you been the person you need to be who would be capable of making that type of money? I know for myself, right? The goals I have, the financial targets I have not been that version. But now, as I became aware of that, I'm stepping into that. I'm at the level now with what my businesses make, right? The physique I have, these things. I've been that motherfucker. But now I know and I understand to get to the next level, it requires a completely different mindset. It requires completely different beliefs. It requires different worldviews, different paradigms. But I accept that and I am committed. So once I become aware of these things, which you're becoming aware of right now, then you need to say to yourself, like I asked, are you committed or are you interested? And if you're interested, it's okay. But don't lie to yourself. Because again, you might not even want to be an entrepreneur. You might look at this, and there was many times on my journey, I'll be honest with you guys, I questioned it. Is this really for me? Like, is this really entrepreneurship for me? There were so many times where business wasn't working out the way I wanted to, so much stress, doubts, worries, failures, setbacks, confusion, overwhelm, and I thought, man, is this for me? Like, am I really meant to be an entrepreneur? And I questioned it many times, and there was times where I felt like quitting and giving up. I'll be completely honest with you guys. But I would always go back to, am I interested or am I committed? And I knew I was committed. I wasn't committed to the money. I was committed to having a life of freedom. I was committed to living my dream life. I was committed to having financial freedom. I was committed to being able to support my family now, my family in the future when I have my wife and my children, right? I was committed to being able to show people like yourself what is possible in this world if you just keep on going. Trust me, guys, I got stories for you where I came from, who I used to be, where I am now is mad. But I was committed. I was committed. And I wasn't perfect along my whole journey, but I would always go back to that. Am I committed or am I interested? I'm committed. Let's keep going. But you don't have to go through what I went through. You don't have to have this long journey where you have all these setbacks and challenges. You can make it a lot easier just by understanding the principles I teach on my channel. Right? And one of the things I'm trying to get you aware of today is shifting that paradigm and that belief that it's going to be easy. Because like I said, if you really believe it's easy and it's not, your brain is going to go, oh, this isn't what I signed up for, let's quit. Now, there's a big lesson I teach people, right? And I say to them, look, there is a difference between struggle and effort. I don't believe struggle is natural. If you look at the universe, if you look at the world, right? It is naturally in a law, it's a natural law is the law of least resistance. If you think about a river that flows, if you think about when a tree grows, if you think about just the way the sun rises and the sun sets, it's very smooth, it flows. There's no resistance around it. There's no struggle, okay? So if you are going after your goals in business and there's struggle and there's like pushing and forcing, in my opinion, that is not natural. And what I believe is that if you have a conscious desire, okay, I want to get in shape, or I want to build my business, or I want to do whatever it might be, and you say, I want this, and there's a resistance moving towards that, you know, you're procrastinating, you're not taking the actions required to get there. In my opinion, well, not even my opinion, it's a fact, there is a resistance between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, all right? So there, if you have that resistance there, you getting towards your goal is going to be harder. There's going to be struggle. There's going to be more just blocks in the way, right? And you want to think of it like a car. If you're driving a car and you got your foot on the brake, you're not going to get there as smoothly as possible than if your foot was off the brake. You understand? So when you are going after your goals, the resistances might come from things having beliefs like it's going to be easy. So when it's not easy, you have that resistance. But when you can just accept it, if you look at the vibrational chart, right, from a book called Letting Go by David Hawkins, if you look at the vibrational chart, there's a part of the vibrational chart where it talks about acceptance. Acceptance is the first step, and then you go into reasoning, all right? Most people, they're not even in acceptance. So you just go, it's going to be easy, right? I've been told it's going to be easy. I just need to do a few emails a day. I just need to do this, and this, and I'll be making 10 grand a month online. Don't believe those guys, man. Stop believing those fucking guys who are telling you it's going to be easy, who are selling you a course. It's not easy. And anyone that says it's easy, right? Let's even define what easy means. What is easy? How would you even, if you was to tell me like, John, this is how I believe business will be easy, what would you say that would be? Now I do believe, right, everything is easy. Some things just require hard work, right? But what I am saying to you is this: don't have these false conceptions about, oh, it's just going to be as easy as sending a few buttons and this and that, and then it'll be making money online. No, but if you start to believe, all right, I do believe making money online is easy, John, at least have good expectations around what that means to you personally. So if you say to me, all right, making money online is easy, I believe easy is sitting at home, working for 10 hours a day, right? Putting in the work, having challenges come my way, having setbacks, overcoming them, that is easy. It's easier than going to work in a supermarket job like I used to do, right? So if you're gonna have a belief like that, which I should have probably mentioned this in the video, you can have a belief it's easy, but have the right expectations around what that means. Because most people have the expectation easy is like, yeah, I just set up my business and then money comes to me. It doesn't work like that, all right? It does not work like that. The biggest challenge you're gonna face in your entrepreneurial journey is overcoming your old self, plain and simple. You know, if I was to just, look at lottery winners who win millions, there's a high percentage of those guys who go back and lose all their money. And this is what I'm trying to say with business. I see these guys and they try and teach you, yeah, we'll just build all your systems, we'll put everything in place, we'll just give you everything. What the fuck? Because the guys who are not prepared for that, yeah, they're just going to get all of these systems in place, they're going to get this, they're going to get all of that stuff. When the money starts coming in or they start signing clients or whatever it might be, they are not the type of person who can manage that level of success. So they're going to fucking sabotage and go back down to what is normal for them. You have to earn your stripes, guys. Do you not realize entrepreneurship is a personal development journey? That's how I define it, guys. Entrepreneurship is a personal development journey. When I make more money, I level up, I grow. You understand? So stop looking for the outcome. Again, stop trying to get the outcome. Stop trying to make $10,000 a month. Start trying to become. No, you don't even try it. Start becoming the 10K version of yourself. And then as you start to become that, right, as you clarify your vision, you get clear on your reasons why, you have a clear plan on your business model and exactly what you need to get done, and you just step into being that, guess what's going to happen? You're going to stop clicking on video titles like this because you're going to realize, I already got this shit. I don't need to know the easiest way. I know the path. I believe in myself. Why would somebody click on a video like this? It's because at some level they don't believe they're there, or they don't believe they have the answer. And guess what's going to happen? The universe is going to keep reflecting those beliefs into your external world. Prove me wrong. Your beliefs in themselves will create your reality. What you believe internally will be expressed. So if you're looking for an easy way to make money online, that currently means you believe that you have a hard way to make money online, or you don't know how to make money online, whatever it might be. So is that playing out in your life? Let me just ask you that. I guarantee it is. I always ask this to people. I ask them a belief and I say, is that playing out in your reality? And it always is, because it's a law. As within, so without. All right, so your external world is an image. You are the mirror. Your internal world is the mirror. So like I'm saying, if you are going out into the world with fucked up beliefs, they're going to keep manifesting. Look back over the past 3 months, right? Look back over the past 3 months, 6 months. And just go back to those moments, right? And think about the thoughts you had back then. Think about the beliefs you had back then. Think about all of those things in your mind back then. Have those thoughts and beliefs played out in your reality now? I guarantee it has. I guarantee you right now, unless you've done what I do and what I teach people what to do, which is you create your own reality. And you consciously make a decision on what life you're going to live. You tell yourself how much money you're going to make. You tell yourself you're going to get in a certain body fat percentage and a certain physique goal. You tell yourself you're going to be able to travel the world, right? You create your reality using your mind, using visualizations and things like that. Because again, your thoughts are energy, right? And this energy will manifest. Thoughts are the beginning of everything in creation. If you think something, you feel that, you mix it with emotion, and then you project things into the external world that create that, and then your actions align with those feelings as well. So this is what I'm trying to say to you guys. Your thoughts create your reality. Get your thoughts aligned with the reality you want, and then reframe beliefs that you have or certain things you've picked up along your way that are not serving you. Because you can, like I said, you could just start saying to yourself from today, hey, making money online is not easy. It's going to require effort, and I'm okay with that because I love effort and I love challenges because it helps me grow. I don't want to have an easy life. Why the fuck do you want to have an easy life? Can you imagine just everything was easy? Everything was easy. The whole point of people, when you look at them and they're rich and they're in shape and all of this stuff, you value that because you know what it took to get there. You respect that because you know what it took to get there. You don't think about your life, bro. Do you value things that come easy? No way. You stop having value in that. You don't value social media because it's so easy. You can just scroll it. But think about when you get something taken away from you and then you get it back, you value it more. Chase the process, man. The journey is the destination. Chase becoming the best version of you. Make that your goal. How am I going to be the best version of myself today, this week, this month? Last thing I want to say, stop comparing yourself to other people. I had this guy message me the other day. He goes, I don't believe in that. If I didn't compare myself to other people, I wouldn't be where I am. Bro, so you're telling me you've created your reality of a comparison of another man, not yourself, your higher self, what God wants you to be. You looked at another man and said, I want to be that. Weak mindset. If you're a leader, if you're a man, you don't look at another man and go, oh, I'm going to be like him. Let me compare myself to him. Let me compare my standards to his standards. You're only going to get to this level. The only person you should compare yourself to is you. On top of that, can you be inspired by other men? Of course you can be inspired by them. But as a man, you walk with your own frame. You create yourself. You don't look at another guy and compare yourself to him. What the fuck is that? You don't understand what journey he's been through, what lessons he's gone through. He's a different person. He's on a different story from you. Compare yourself to you and you only. Did I crush it today? Did I crush it this week? How am I going to get closer to the version of myself I've already built in my mind? Define who you must be, then become that motherfucker. Go and read my Instagram post. One of my recent posts, well, I don't know when you're going to watch this video. It's me looking huge at an Instagram post. Find the post. And you watch that the post says, define who you must be, then say what you must do, and then do it. And you will have the things you want. If you're comparing yourself to another guy on Instagram, this and that, you know how that's going to fuck you up because you're going to look at another guy and go, oh, I'm not there yet. Again, it's going to create into your reality. Look at yourself, who you need to be, and be that, all right, guys? Stop looking for the easy ways out. Stop falling into these traps from these gurus who are telling you this is the easy way to make money online. Fuck them all right? Stay true to yourself. Understand it's a journey. Understand you will succeed. Understand there are no shortcuts. And let's fucking win. No slacking. Take care.